look down.
Yeah.
Ah, that's a Peter Pan, yeah. Ooh, hi.
Okay, no one cares about you.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
How are we actually flying there?
Look down. This is a Peter Pan flying.
I know.
We are Peter Pan.
But how are we actually
Oh,
flying
so dark.
into there?
Holding my belly up.
Oh wow. Look at that.
Can't see. Is that a moon?
What is that? Is that Big Band?
Can I sleep here?
Yeah, it's actually cool, right? Look, we're flying. Oh boy.
Oh.
Huh?
What are you doing?
No, can I? Too dark.
They don't want to see your face, that's why.
Little Mermaid.
Oh wow.
One of them looks like Little Mermaid.
Yeah, Ariel.
Yes.
Awesome, right? Is that the Pirates of the Caribbean?
I don't know.
You need to do the driving, Princess. This could be exciting. You'll like that one.
The lights are good.
Racing. Yeah, we're gonna race.
Hi, mommy.
The Ariel, that's Ariel.
Too dark.
That's
Our
Ariel.
face cannot
Little
see.
Mermaid, Ariel.
Yeah.
They don't
Who is
even
that? This
see
one.
you because you're
Who is that?
ugly.
This one.
I don't
Is
know.
that the Pocahontas? Who's that, Winnie? What are you doing? Turn off your light.
Right.
Oh,
Oh.
I see the railings now.
Oh, you see it? Yeah, right there, right?
Oh, I don't want to touch your skin.
Yeah.
Ah, that's a Peter Pan. Yeah. Ooh, hi.
Okay, no one cares about you.
Okay.
Oh, who's that? Who's that?
I don't know.
Captain Hook.
No. Okay, we stop flying.
Alright, watch out, let go of the railing.
On your safety bar, it will lift automatically.
It will lift automatically.
Exit to your right onto the road and watch your step.
Get ready, go.
Oh, my goodness. You got it. Woo. Woo. Oh, my goodness.
Was it fun?
Huh?
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.